Hey, I'm so completely sorry for that that last guest. Yeah, so I'm still completely sorry. It was a terrible choice for a guest, and we're just gonna bring out a new guest. His name is Barry, and he's a bear. Come on out, Barry. This is gonna play out like the last time. So how's it going, Barry? Hello? How's it going? Hey. Barry! Barry! Hello? Why can we never have guests? All of our guests have been clinically insane, stupid, and now our new guests can't even freaking talk. Oh my god. Did you just fart? These guests have been terrible, I'm so sorry. On to the next guest, I guess. If you're even gonna stick through it.
Where I come from isn't all that great. My automobile is a piece of crap. My fashion sense is a little whack, and my friends are just as screwy as me.
Concrete PV Productions.